What's up, my home slices? What's up, my girls, my gurus? Anyways, today is gonna be a little vlog. I'm going to go thrifting. Ooh, so fun. Trying to find some cute, cheap clothing for my closet since I just actually cleaned out my closet. Look at all these bags. Well, my mom did it for me because she says that I'm bad at throwing things away and I'm like a hoarder, so she just threw away stuff. But like, why'd she throw this away? This is cute. Like, I would still wear this. I'm taking this back. I am taking back my life. I'm gonna be going thrifting. Me and my mom might stop at Target before we go to the thrift store because we are going with her friend, Iggy. I love Iggy. We're going with her friend. Kind of my only, I'm not gonna lie, she's kind of the only friend that I actually like. Like, she's my only mom friend, my only friend's mom. Wait, my mom friend. It's my only mom's friend that I like. Yeah, her other ones are okay too if you guys are watching this, but she's my favorite. But anyways, so yeah, we're going thrifting. We might stop at Target because we saw that they have like little Kirby's, like things over the red walls in front of the parking or whatever. So we want to go see if like we can see a little Kirby for fun, for the giggles, for the laughs. Who is that? Come in. That's the girl that threw away the cute skirt. Did you throw away this? Why?
Because you don't even use it. You don't wear it. What's that?
I will. And there's cute things in there.
Yeah, cute things that you don't. This still has a tag. Never wear. Yeah, it's cute, but you don't wear it.
Can we just appreciate how cute this closet looks? Okay, it's giving. Yes. Okay, for my outfit, I'm thinking like these shorts right here, these brown ones, with this flannel right here, right? Hear me out. And this black shirt that I got from Target, or I have a white version of this. It's somewhere in this hot mess. I'm thinking black Converse. I'm gonna try on the black one first because that's like the one I dreamt about in my dream. And if it doesn't look good, I'm literally gonna cry. This is the look. I think it's cute, casual, and comfy. I think that these black Converse are gonna look so cute. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put these black Converse on and then I'm gonna start doing my makeup because we gotta leave soon. This is the fit. I really like it. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. But for my makeup today, I'm thinking like putting in these lashes. The pinky! What's up, my home Lilith? Okay, so this is my makeup look. Ooh, okay. The fit, y'all already seen it. You already know what's going on. And now we got the hair. I am now in the automobile and we are going to be headed
To get Iggy. Where should we go? Coffee?
Coffee.
Yes, obviously.
Kirby.
Maybe
It looked busted.
Stony Clover?
Dude, we in Target. No, that's not BTS's microphone.
That's what it looks like. Stop. This is so cute. Oh, I like that.
OMG! I'm buying. OMG, I love Target.
Okay, these are really cute.
You're really cute.
Oh, that's one.
I get.
You don't need. Who's from British?
Huh?
Who's from British? That's the same thing. Oh,
Yes. The fact.
Cute.
So
This is
long.
so
I'm so
icky.
I don't know why they looking at the glass section. Getting some glass.
Look how cute this is.
That's so
It
cute.
says princess inside though.
Oh, I want it. You want it?
I want it.
Tussle.
So cute. And you can put your pies in it, and you can just put the lid.
I don't need it. You need it more than me.
This is so cute. Put it in. No,
Put it.
yeah. Because I feel like corsets are supposed to be tight. And
Can I
is
fit
the one that's
this?
loose right here.
With, is this cute?
Even if it is tight, it would be like good tight.
When she's ignored. Oh, her. Look at it. It's a shirt that comes with the jewelry. I can see her in this too.
Dude, yeah.
This one's perfect. Perfect for you, honestly.
Honestly, I feel like you would look so cute in this.
Oh, for real. What about this?
Right here.
It comes with the jewelry already attached. Wait, why do I love this? Wait, I actually really want this. This is so cute. Why is there another one? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is there so many? Perfect. Oh my gosh. This is a work of art. Do you guys think I could rock a leather jacket? Like this one. I feel like I could rock it low key. Okay. This is a speed run, okay? A speed. Oh, I could rock that. Oh, I'm a part of the UK, baby. Boy, these are from Shein. Ain't no way. Should I get a cute little visor?
Wait, let me take a picture. It's so cute. Both things are very cute.
What's up, my home slices? I need to stop saying that. It's so embarrassing. But I am back in the thrift, and I don't know why this is on the floor, but I'm back in the thrift, and from going out, and I want to show you guys what I got. I want to show you guys my haul. Let's start off with Target. Starface little patches. These are so cute because they're like daisies. They're daisies. This super cute. I got these super cute like overalls / romper. Got from the thrift store. We got this this is for my mom. It's like a corset kind of top. She wanted to just try it out, see how it looked, see if it's cute, if it's worth it or not. And I think it's really cute. And then I got this little plain shirt. It's not really plain, but I got this pink shirt. I thought it would be like a little cute like oversized shirt. And the back is like really bright and I loved it. The shirt, which I feel like I'm gonna wear this a lot. I'm gonna look like a little sailor. I think it's gonna be so cute. I didn't really get that much. We got this like oversized green button up, and it's just to put on top of an outfit. Oh my god, guys, something came in the mail and I want to show you guys what came in the mail. I got new shoes in the mail. Shout out to my shoe plug. They are so cute. I am going to scream. Okay, but that's the end of this video. I had a lot of fun today. I hope you guys had fun coming along with me. And I hope you guys liked my haul, what I got. And yeah, tell me if you guys go thrifting. Like, what's some cute things you guys find? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love you.